was the number of errors that they committed, 27 compared to the 21 that FEU committed. And Pao Soriano also had an off afternoon in that first round meeting as she only had 6 points while Zapanta and Pineda had 14 apiece. Now speaking of Adamson, they want to bounce back after losing their last game against Ateneo. That game went 4 sets. Ateneo taking the first 2 and then Adamson taking the third, surviving, taking that one 26-24, and then Ateneo finally finishing the job in the 4th set.
That's right. Ateneo proved to be just too much for the Lady Falcons in their encounter. Although, yun nga, they showed some spunk in that 3rd set, winning it. And Adamson losing also that spunk again on the 4th set. That's why Ateneo was able to take that. As you can see, our set scores. Full stretch on the 3rd set, but Adamson was able to take it, only to lose it again on the 4th one.
Now, when Adamson wins games, you take a look at their trio of Pao Soriano, Sheila Pineda, and Mayat Zapanta. But in this game, it was only Soriano and Pineda that clicked as they had 17 points, while Zapanta only had 9. And that's going to spell trouble for the Lady Falcons if one of those 3 players that I just mentioned will not deliver. And Pao Soriano would like to deliver for the Lady Falcons today if they want to stay alive in the race to the Final Four. Earlier today, our courtside reporter Bea Coronel had a chat with Pao Soriano. Let's see what Pao had to say.
I'm here with Pao Soriano of the Adamson Lady Falcons. Hi Pao, okay, so in your game against Ateneo, nanalo kayo ng isang set, diba? So what do you think you did right in that set na dapat ginawa niyo sa ibang set?
Siguro po yung mindset namin na yung dahilan to bakit kailangan namin maglaro. Yun yung dapat yung willingness namin na manalo. Hindi lang kami naglalaro para lang namin matapos yung game. Ayun po.
Okay, so speaking of mindset naman, you're going up against very challenging teams after this one then. So ano yung kailangan ng mindset ng team para manalo nun?
So, siguro po especially yung yung focus namin sa game, every game namin. Saka yung makamit namin yung goal namin, dapat isipin namin lagi na kailangan namin makapasok sa finals. Ayun.
Okay, alright, thanks Pao. Again, that was Pao Soriano of the Adamson Lady Falcons.
Pao Soriano, she's right. Her team has to remain focused because up ahead in their remaining schedule, Mosey, is UE and then of course USD.
That's right. So again, pag nanalo dito ang Adamson, it will really complicate things in the middle going into the final stretch of the 2nd round. So which means habulan na talaga for that final 4 slots.
Exactly. Now let's talk about the other team, FEU. Coming off a nice win against UP in their last game. They are riding on a 2-game win streak, starting with that 4-set victory against USD last January 22. And in this game, it was a balanced scoring attack for FEU when FEU Lalio scored, top scored rather for FEU for the 3rd game here in UAP Season 74. She had support also from Rosemary Vargas, who had 12 points, and the ever-improving Majorie Rojas, who had 10.
You're so correct. You know, Anton, without Maika Morada now in the team, it is going to be a spread offense coming from FEU. As you see the set scores, they won it big time. And mas maganda, you see that FEU now has that team effort that Coach Ness has been looking for. Look at the arsenal coming from this young squad. 23 more spikes coming from them in that game. And again, Coach Ness Familiar is always saying na bata pa itong mga to, and yet they are playing with big hearts. And now I think pati yung distribution ng bola is so much better.
I think FEU is actually overachieving here in UAP Season 74, and that's very impressive considering that this is only their 2nd year in the rebuilding stage. I mentioned a while ago, Majorie Rojas has improved tremendously in just her sophomore season here in the UAAP. And earlier today, Erica Liboro had a chat with Majorie Rojas.
Yes, I'm here with Marjorie Rojas of the Lady Tamaraos. Marjorie, your team has been doing so well in the 2nd round. Now, ano ba kailangan gawin ng team to be able to remain on the 3rd or even go up the 2nd spot?
Parang sabi lang po ng coach namin, stay focused at saka makinig lang po sa mga instructions nila. Pag po kasi sila po kasi yung nakakaalam ng mga dapat namin gawin, kaya kailangan lang po namin makinig. Tsaka po pag training po, kailangan focus lang po sa training kasi sabi nga po ng coach namin, kung ano po yung gagawin namin sa training, yun po yung gagawin namin sa mga games po namin.
Alright, thank you. And that's Marjorie Rojas of the Lady Tamaraos.
Of course, Marjorie Rojas and the rest of the FEU Lady Tamaraos would like to remain focused going into their final schedule, which includes a game against Ateneo and then a final game of the elimination round against UE.
So, talagang FEU, I guess, all eyes on that final 4 slots today.
Coach Des Pamilar looking for win number 8 here in season 74, while Mami Dulce Pante would like to force a 3-way tie at the 3rd spot. This is the UAAP Season 74 Women's Volleyball Tournament brought to you by ABS-CBN Sports.